Into Assets proudly presents 3 industrial warehouses positioned along Chamberlain Road and Lawley Street within the sought-after Jacobs precinct in KwaZulu-Natal. This popular logistics node is in close proximity to the port and enjoys easy access to all major road networks. The first facility, 269 Chamberlain Road, is currently owner-occupied and comprises of a 2,445 square meter lettable area with good height of approximately 7.3 meters at the apex and 5.7 meters at the eaves. The property is accessed via 4 roller shutter doors. The lettable area consists of warehouse space, workshops, mezzanine levels, staff facilities, and a double-story administration block. The warehouse will be sold with vacant occupation. The second facility is positioned opposite the first at 271 Chamberlain Road. Currently occupied by Anchor Industries, this property has an approximate lettable area of 2,040 square meters, with a small 250 square meter yard at the front of the property. Accessed via 4 roller shutter doors, this warehouse has excellent height of approximately 7.5 meters at the apex and 6.3 meters at the eaves. The lettable area consists of a warehouse, staff facilities, and an admin section. The third facility, 58 Lawley Street, comprises of 3 mini factories or workshops, which measure a combined total extent of approximately 1,455 square meters. Each workshop is accessed via a roller shutter door and enjoys exceptional height of approximately 8.2 meters at the apex and 6.2 meters at the eaves. This is an ideal facility to accommodate 3 tenants. These 3 facilities, which will be offered as one combined lot, present a rare opportunity to the market in an industrial node where demand exceeds supply. The total power supply to all 3 properties is 1,600 amps. We look forward to your attendance at the auction on the 20th of July 2022 at the Mount Edgecombe Country Club. For more information about this property and to arrange a viewing, please contact Verend on 071 383 1735.